Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me today. For this week's benefits video, I'm going to read out two more stories that I've received over the past few weeks, and I hope these stories will inspire you. The first message comes from YouTube. I came across these videos a few months ago, and what a very lucky day that was. The exercises have really helped my knee pain. I have had osteoarthritis since my 20s, and my posture, always bad, has improved a lot. I love the beautiful locations. I can imagine that I'm traveling, and I feel that you has become a friend. I feel energized, calm, and uplifted after every video. Thank you very much for sharing that. I really appreciate that. The second message I received on Facebook. Kseny, you're a godsend for so many people. I'm a caretaker for my husband, and your videos give me the inner peace to allow me to find my inner peace. I do several videos a day and can't wait until I can grab time for another one. I'm 71 and a half, yay! And feeling stronger and more limber daily. Thank you very much for sharing your stories, for sharing how you feel with me and with the community, and inspire others to try Qigong and to practice and see how it can transform your life. Thank you very much for watching. Guys, if you want me to share your story, please send it to me or leave a comment on YouTube or Facebook, and I'll be happy to do that. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.